Hina naman. Hep, hep! Auto-uto. Charot. Liberty, gravity, beauty, transformation are also known as we, LGBT. Tonight is a gathering of all the beauty icons. So all the Berta Philippines battling for one Tyra, and this pageant's begin there. It's a simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? And behind the question that we will find a witness, the metamorphosis of sounding caterpillar transform when a glowing, beautiful butterfly. Hello, hi, mabuhay. The girl was snake in your eyes afresh, and that innocent 19-year-old sinner. He'll cheer you all the way from the city of Valenzuela. But tonight, this is a pageant. This is this panel for judges or audience tonight. Please do allow me this time widening of your one and only. Your Batang Quiapo. Ba't di niyo po sabi kahit palakpakan tiyawan? Your crush ng bayan. Pinipiling Lobi. Po. Nagsasabi na sa mabubutiuni ng balat, mga naglalaki ng dibdib na pinag-ipiestahan ng grupo ng kalalakihan. Ngayong gabi, atin nating baguhin ang pamantayan ng kagandahan. Ang ganda ng ilan, sexy ng karamihan, ay tatapatan, papatayan, minsan pa nga po hihigitan ng taong nasa inyong harapan. At lagi niyo po katatandaan, balat ko man itim, wag na wag niyong mamalitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpalak, may bakalang negrang tatata. I see, I saw, and I woke up like this. Happy Fiesta!